Hey, in this video we're going to talk about adding a new user to your Google Search Console account. Hi, my name is Travis Flans of WebWorks of Kansas City. Follow along with the conversation all throughout social media using the hashtag WebWorkinIt or with us on... Here we go. We're going to find it right there at WebWorks of KC. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you get notifications when we have a new video. All right, let's go. To get started, we're going to go to the Google Search Console homepage. Now, that service has changed names so many times in the past years that, honestly, I don't know what the exact URL is today. So, I'm at google.com and I'm just going to search for Google Search Console. And of course, Search Console Home by Google. That's where we need to go. Now we're going to sign in right here, sign in. And if you have multiple accounts in your Chrome browser, which I'm using here, it'll tell you which one to choose. If not, it'll just ask you to enter your email address. So here I've using my account and I'm going to log in with my password. Now when we log in, it's going to show us all the websites that we have associated. And I'm just going to scroll down and select one real quick. And now once we're in here, we're going to go to this little sprocket. And we're going to go to users and property owners. Now from in here, we're going to add a new user. And we're going to type in the user email address. For this case, I am going to use my WebWorks of KC Gmail. And we're going to change permission to full. Now, we're going to give full access. That way, an agency or an employee can do all the additions that we may need and all the research they may need. But make sure that if you're adding an agency here that you have the proper agreement in place and make sure your employees know what's expected of them when they're in your account. But full is going to be probably what you want to give if you're just getting started with Google Search Console and getting started with your website. So I'm going to add a user with full permission. So now that you've added the user, when they log into Google Search Console, they will now see your website as a property for themselves as well. So that's how to add a new user to your Google Search Console. Well, I hope that video gave you everything you need to add that user to your Google Search Console. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell to get notifications, ask any comments. Ask any questions you have in the comments section below. That way I can help everybody at the same time. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.